So now you have seen the Python Jupyter Notebook as well as the Python IDE, and you have seen the features of the both, and we will be coding for the entire duration in the Jupyter Notebooks. So one section, or you can say the one topic is left, is how to install the packages in our chapter 3. So now I will tell you how we can install the packages for using in the Python. So what you can do is you have two options. The first is if you go here and type Anaconda, and you can see the Anaconda prompt here, and I will run it as an administrator. So you will see your Anaconda prompt opening up. So now you have a command called pip. Pip is for Python. So you can just simply type pip install numpy. So don't get into what what package names are, different names. We will see while we code in our this series, we will see what packages do we need and what needs to be installed. So just I'm telling you the process of installing in package using Anaconda. So you can simply type pip install and the package name, press enter. So I am already having, so it's telling me requirement already satisfied. So one method you have seen how to install the packages using the Anaconda prompt. The other, I can say, you can simply install the packages within your Jupyter Notebooks interface. What you have to do is you just have to type an exclamation mark and type the same command, pip install and the desired package name. So in my case, I'm using pip install numpy, and I will again shift plus enter, and it will show me like I have already satisfied. The site package is already there. I've already installed. So these are the two methods how you can install the external packages to your Python.